Hello, Sus300. Welcome to week 4. Yay, week 4. Oh my gosh, time is marching by quickly, right? So, this week, as before, let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'm here to help. If you owe me work from previous weeks, you have talked with me. We have a plan on getting these things in because I want you to learn from these materials. Okay? Now, structure is very much the same way as past weeks. You've got your reviews. For your review quiz, you've got basically, which is your textbook items, all those good articles that we put together, and then your technical text. Both those quizzes are multiple attempt, low stress, but hopefully high learning. Okay, so please enjoy those materials. Put them together for your benefit, because that's the meat of the course. All right. Now the practice part of it. This week, your assignment is to create a memo, about 750 to 1,000 odd words. Okay, should be structured in memo format. However, big however, it must include 100% must include those bullet points that you're supposed to be addressing in the instructions. Those are your subsections. There must be a one-to-one correlation, a bullet point to a subsection on your memo. Okay, those must match. Okay, the rationale for this is to help you learn how to use subsections. Okay, so because this is a longer memo, totally fine on having subsections because it will help the readers organize their own thoughts. It helps you organize your thoughts as you're writing it. Okay, because that way you can see, oh, I need to actually work more on this section, put in more detail over here, and I think I've put in enough on this section. All right, make sure you do that. Subsections do not mean one giganto paragraph. Subsections have their own paragraphs within them. Remember, this is college, this is an upper division class. Paragraphs are absolutely a must. Okay, so subsections and paragraphs underneath those subsections. All right, if you have separate thoughts on that. Okay, so this week, your assignment is you are creating that memo about waste. So one of the things with human society and everything in life is that we create waste. How do we deal with it? Depends. All right. So what you're going to be doing is looking through a series of case studies from around the world. This is not U.S. centered. Okay, you need to get out of the mentality that the U.S. is the center of the world. We are not. We are but one country around here. All right. There's a lot of other countries that have their own issues, and I want you to explore them. Okay. So explore those case studies, and then you pick one, and you're going to do a deeper dive. You're going to use that case study as your basis, and then you're going to answer the questions. So when it says do more research on the country, do more research. What are the demographics? What are the incomes? That kind of information. Okay. How the people that they're discussing here. What percent of the population are they? Are they lower strata, upper economic strata? What? When it says stakeholders, yes, you're supposed to identify the primary stakeholder. That also means that you have to discuss and give reasons why to discuss the other stakeholders. And then you say, among these stakeholders, these are your primary ones. So create that step by step. Lead us through your thoughts as to why this group is important and why the other groups are not. You have to discuss the other groups though. Okay, that's why there's probably going to be multiple smaller paragraphs underneath the stakeholder section. All right, so have fun with this. This is a lot of fun to explore other cultures. This gives you a chance to explore other cultures, okay, and how they deal with trash, because this week you're going to be learning how we deal with trash. And let me give you a hint, very few countries do a good job. So all right, let me know if you have questions. Keep up the good work and have fun with this. All right, cheers.